So what is a TR1 form, or a transfer of whole? That's what it's called, it's a transfer. A transfer document, or it's known as a TR1, is where after exchange of contracts, where the contract's been exchanged, so from the point of exchange where you're saved to the point of completion, at completion, what happens is you move into the property as a buyer, the seller moves out, but then your lawyer, what they have to do is they have to register this document called a TR1 at the land registry. This actually, for the buyer's point of view, actually inserts your name on there as a new buyer. It's got other details on there which your lawyer's got to complete, and they've got to get it right, because if they don't get it right, then what happens is they don't register you in time. Now, unfortunately, there is a risk that your lawyer could get this wrong, so make sure that it's all properly completed and you find a lawyer that does that for you. Now, one of the things you have to worry about, the other thing you have to worry about in the TR1 is whether you want to hold, if you're buying in joint names, whether you want to hold the property you're buying as tenants in common or joint tenants. Joint tenants means that you both own the whole equally, or tenants in common is you own the whole but split into divisions. So it could be a 50-50 split, or it could be a 30-70 split, or a 60-40 split. So what you need to worry about is tell your conveyancer at the time you sign your TR1 is whether you want to hold it as in joint names, but as joint tenants, which you own the whole equally. So if one dies, the other gets the whole. Okay. Whereas if tenants in common, if one dies, then they get the split of 50-50 or 60-40. Or if there's a divorce, for example, then that's subject to different rules. But let's not go there. I'm sure it's not going to happen. But you need to put this in writing to let your lawyer know. TR1.